Welcome to SOBRDrive, the ultimate app for ensuring safe and responsible driving. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential features of SOBRDrive and how to use them effectively. First, you can download and install SOBRDrive from your App Store. Next, set up your account by going to compasssafe.com/products and creating a secure account. On your device, access the SOBRDrive app dashboard and log into the app. To set up your heroes, go to Settings and press the Heroes section in the app. You can add trusted contacts who can be your designated drivers. These are the people who will receive your GPS location and video if you are too impaired to drive. Now let's explore the SOBRDrive app and its key features. The Breathalyzer tab is your go-to for taking a breath alcohol concentration, or BAC test. Press the tab and follow the instructions to get your test results. The Call Hero tab allows you to quickly contact your designated drivers, or heroes, ensuring you always have a safe way to get home. The Activate SOBRDrive tab lets you choose a BAC level between 0.01 and 0.05. Once chosen, you cannot start the vehicle until you test below that level. Always remember that buzzed driving is still drunk driving. This level is a personal limit that helps you stay within safe and legal boundaries. If your BAC test results exceed your preset level, SOBRDrive will notify your heroes. This ensures you won't drive under the influence and can get help from your designated drivers. The Panic Feature button is a critical safety tool. When pressed, SOBRDrive starts recording using your mobile device's camera and collects your GPS location. This information is immediately shared with your heroes to ensure your safety. SOBRDrive is designed to prevent drunk driving and keep you safe. Explore the app and make the most of its features. Drive responsibly and stay safe with SOBRDrive.